a referee too. We'll have like little. All right, hold on. So what are we supposed to do?
Good. Intros.
Here to there.
No, yeah, like above the waist, below the neck.
Intros.
In
Name
the
and
face.
If you feel comfortable for that, then we'll start doing
weight.
that.
Name and weight.
My name is Dalton Lyle. Receiver number 1. 150 pounds. Easy.
David Swift, running back number 24.
Better take that shirt off.
155 pounds.
You don't.
He said running back number 24. He the 24th on the depth chart.
You said. Sit down.
Let's have to fuck him up. Nah, both of their ass, dog. Woo!
What is he going that hard? And you came in like, bro, I was like, oh, he really is going.
Yeah.
Go!
Start it up.
Go!
Baby.
Like a headshot.
We're taping, dog. This is YouTube, baby. YouTube, shout out. Make me famous, bitch.
What's the door there?
Oh!
Like you're holding too chill. You're like grabbing me and pulling me into it.
Okay.
You can't hold it.
Get back in there, fight, boys! I ain't even doing no facial shots, y'all. Body, y'all good. Control it, see it and control it, fight! What is that hooking damn ghost shit you doing, boy?
Swifty, cut block.
Ooh, somebody get. Hold on, you got him in his arm. What the fuck are they doing? Nate, what are they doing?
What do they do?
I don't know, dog.
Boxing, dog.
Shit.